Diane Gushurst. I'm one of the partners at Gutterman Griffiths.
And I'm Kristi Wells. I'm also a partner at Gutterman Griffiths. The number of times we speak each year, I think you were, 7 this year?
I spoke, just teaching courses.
Teaching courses.
I did 7 CLEs.
I did 3.
Legal educations.
I'm writing a book for the American Bar Association. We have attorneys who testify in front of committees that are looking at how family law is supposed to be shaped in Colorado. We are looking at trying to make a difference across the board.
Yeah, we always have had somebody on the executive council of the family law section since I've been a partner at the law firm, and Kristi just joined those ranks. I edited a chapter for the bench bar book, and I know Diana edits a couple. I mean, we do a lot of different things. We sit on boards, we teach, we give speeches. Aside from teaching, what else do we do?
Well, I mean, it's funny that she's not mentioning it, but Anne has been instrumental in changing the law in Colorado with respect to same-sex marriage. She was counsel on the big case, so...
I was co-counsel.
Sorry.
No, there were 3 attorneys on that case, and it was a big case, and I was very, very honored to be a part of it. And I've done a lot of pro bono work, as do you and Diana. So I mean, it's a mixed bag. We do a lot of things because we care about our profession, and we care about the people who are going before the courts. And most of the public only goes through 1 divorce, and we go through a couple thousand divorces more than the average Joe.
And it's part of how you learn to live with yourself, is trying to make sure that the outcome that you achieve for your client is a good outcome. And good, it has there's a lot of different ways you can be good on the spectrum, but part of being a leader in the community is making sure that the law that we work with is being beneficial to families.
Yeah, and being upheld and is understood. And so I think there are many ways we lead in the community. I can't tell you how proud I am of the other partners in my law firm and the other attorneys. We have a tremendous team, like a tremendous team. I really think that anybody in our law firm can do a good job for just about any client. And we have some really complex cases.
That's true. I would say of the complex cases that happen in Colorado, I'm surprised if we're not on one side of the really tough ones.
A lot of them, yeah. We do a lot of cases that involve multi-state jurisdiction, complex assets, trusts, corporations.
Questions that a lot of people won't touch. If there's a really scary question out there, a lot of law firms will pass.
As they should.
I don't want to attract a lot of new scary questions, though.
You want to know that your attorney understands what they're doing, and we have a lot of experience. But the other thing that we have is we have a lot of connections in the community. So when we get a complicated case, I know who to call. I know which expert's going to value the oil and gas derivative, and I know who understands carried interests. And so we have those connections in the community, which is really helpful. And one of the things about doing a lot of high-end work is that you realize how much you don't know. And I think that's where a lot of people get into trouble, is they just think, oh, anybody can do this. And I would not say that has been my experience. How about you?
No, not at all.